Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're featuring the best ukulele concert-size starter kit for beginners, the official Kala Learn to Play Ukulele Concert Starter Kit. Whether you're just picking up the instrument for the first time or looking for a thoughtful gift, this is a one-stop solution to get strumming right away. This kit is built around the Kala Concert Ukulele, crafted in satin-finished mahogany. The wood gives it a rich, warm tone that's easy on the ears, and the build quality is solid, just as you'd expect from Kala, the most recognized ukulele brand in the world. That's not just branding, it's backed by the thousands of schools and teachers who trust this company to teach students their first chords. Now let's take a closer look at what you get in the box. The centerpiece is the mahogany concert ukulele with a traditional Polynesian shark teeth laser-etched rosette. It's strung with Aquila Super Nilegut strings, imported from Italy, known for their smooth feel and excellent tone. The instrument also features open-geared tuners and a Graphtec new bone nut and saddle, small but high-quality components that contribute to stable tuning and clean sound projection. But Kala knows that a good instrument isn't enough. You also need the right support to get started. That's why the kit includes a 20-page quick start guide to walk you through everything from string names to first songs. You'll also get access to Kala's online lesson portal, a platform filled with free, easy-to-follow video lessons. Whether you're a total beginner or just brushing up, these tutorials make the learning process stress-free and fun. To keep everything together, the kit includes a Kala-branded tote bag, so you can carry your ukulele wherever inspiration strikes. Whether that's a campfire jam, a music class, or just your bedroom studio. What's also great about this product is that it doesn't overwhelm you with gear. You get exactly what you need to start making music right away, without feeling buried in accessories or tech. Kala even has a tuner app to help get you in tune quickly. It's designed with simplicity and encouragement in mind. The ukulele itself is in concert size, a perfect middle ground for most players. It's slightly larger than a soprano, giving you a bit more room on the fretboard and a fuller sound, but still compact enough to be extremely portable and beginner-friendly. And here's a cool bonus. This exact model has been used or endorsed by well-known artists like Vance Joy, Dodie, Eat My Uke, the ukulele teacher, and even members of 21 Pilots and Zac Brown Band. That means you're in very good company when you start your journey with this uke. To wrap it up, this starter kit hits all the right notes. Quality build, essential accessories, helpful guidance, and a price that makes it an excellent value. Whether you're 9 or 90, this is an ideal way to start your musical journey. If you're ready to stop watching and start playing, the Kala Learn to Play Ukulele Concert Starter Kit is waiting for you. You can find the link in the description below. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next one.